Hey everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create and edit the menu page for your Wix restaurant website. Even if you are starting from scratch, don't worry, I will cover everything you need to know in super simple way. Now, what you have to do, first thing first, you have to come to this website, which is wix.com. Wix.com and log in with your Google account. As you can see here, I am in the Wix studio because I have a same account into Wix normal in the normal Wix, so you don't need to worry about it. What you have to do is just simply click on the select site which you want to which site you want to add a restaurant menu, and then what you have to do is just simply select the site. As you can see here, I have already selected. Now click on the edit site, so it will take you to the classic version of Wix Editor. As you can see here, I am in the Wix Studio, but I am in editing my website in the Wix Classic. So yeah, you can edit this into Wix Classic as well. You don't need to log in into your Wix Studio. So that was simple. So what you have to do is just simply click on the add apps in the left side. You will get to see, and from here you have to search for uh, restaurant Wix res, restaurant restaurants, and then hit click. Then something will appear in front of you. This is a restaurant app where you can take commission fee, uh, online order for pickup or delivery directly from your site. So this is an overview of this application. You can pause the video and read it if you want. And what you have to do is just simply click on this add to site. So after clicking on the add to site, it will take a few seconds to set up his Wix restaurant. So wait for a few seconds. As you can see here, we have successfully added a page. Now what you have to do, you have to go to into page and menu. Over here you will get to see this restaurant and page. Right now they have menus, and just simply click on the online order to add a new menu. For example, if you want to, you can try these things as well. For example, I will just simply choose this one, and let's click on this. And if you choose this one, let's see what will happen. Fulfillment method. So this is how we would like to receive your order. Okay, this is not that what I wanted, so I will just simply move to different page, click on the menu. So as you can see here, we have got our menu. Now if you want to edit from here, you can edit as well. For example, you can give a quick edit. Now for example, you have a different content in the menu page. You can, what you can do is just simply add. Let me see if I can edit this template or not. Okay, what I have to do, we have to do is just simply uh, click on the save, and then uh, click on the done, and go back to Wix dashboard and refresh it, so we don't get anything errors. Now you have to go to catalog. In the catalog you have to go to restaurant menu and the menu. So there are two ways where you can add the menu. One is using this template, and the second one is you can create from scratch by if you want, if you don't like the design of this menu bar, you can, what you can do is just simply click on add new menu. I will I will make later, so don't worry, I will, after this showing this, I will make from scratch. So what you have to do is just simply if you want to manage, you can click on the manage. Now I have to edit menu details, just simply click on the menu details. Now if you want to give your menu name, a description and visibility, you can give that. Now online ordering setting include on online ordering page as well, so you can manage menu. Now if you want to click on the manage menu, where you will get this kind of interface where you can edit the name, price, the vegetarian, and then the image. What I will do, I will just simply add something, add a new dish. For example, I will just say biryani, and let's maybe I'm my spelling is wrong. Then over here you can add as a description for biryani. What I will do, just simply go run into ChatGPT and give me a biryani description, and it will give me a biryani description. I will select this much. This is just for tutorial. You don't have to go into ChatGPT and select the description and generate the description. You can use it. Now if you want to add the label, you can add that. For extra hot, this is not vegetarian. You can add they have lots of labels you can add. Now if you want to set price, this is not for 4400. You can set price per variant. For example, what is set different pricing option for this item, small, medium, large. If you want to give that, you can give. For example, you can add variant as well into this pricing section, where you can add variant. This is small, so small, add the small and give the price 300. For the large, you can add 400. Now add one, if you want to add one more variant, you can add that. Now let's say chicken. If you want to add extra chicken, you can just simply give 500. And then there we go, there is an image. You can change it. For example, if you want to crop or edit image, you can just simply click on this pencil icon. Now if you want to change this image, what you can do is just simply click on the change image, and from here you can upload media as well. But I will search in the Wix. Now there we go, we got our biryani photo, and I will add this. Now item visibility show on menu. If you don't want to, this is out of stock, then you can just simply disable, and it will remove from the your menu. What I will do is just simply click on the show on menu, and if you want to modify, you can give your customer option to customize their order by adding topping, sides and other extras. You can click on the add menu. Now for example, modifier group name. For example, if you want to add toppings, you can give the name and the ketchup. If you want ketchup extra, just add ketchup, and then set a price 24 rupees more, and click on pre-selected if you want. Then just simply, if you want to add more modifier, you can add that too. Do customer need to choose modifiers? No, it is not it is optional. If you want to make this required, yes, it has to be choose modifier, then you can just simply click on yes, it is. Now uh, you can set a minimum amount as well as an maximum amount as well. For this I will not select the modifier because biryani doesn't have modifiers. Now click on the ordering. Right now it is in the stock. You can just simply, if it is not, then you can just simply disable this button. Now what is this tags, item tags, assign tags group to different types of item to create a tags group to go to setting. Okay, this is related to tags. Right now I haven't set up the tags for my menu item to collect the tags. I will do later. Right now I will not, because I don't need to, I don't need this menu. After doing all of the modification, what you have to just simply click on the save, and as you can see we have successfully changed our menu. You can do with this all of these things. Now if you want to add one more section of yours, you can add that too. For example, I want to add like drinks, desserts, mains, dishes are great for sharing. For example, I want to add for lunch. I can add that for sections lunch, given section name, and give a description. Right now I will just not add the description. You can describe what is this section is for. So simply add this so the buyer can understand. Now let's quick add. Now start typing to add an item. So I will add item for lunch. What should I add? I will add chicken. Okay, chocolate. More. Okay, this one. Classic cheesecake. Don't worry. This is thus for the random stuff. As you can see, we got our pre-built things. Now, if you want to modify your by yourself, for example, chicken, and click on the save. So it will add the chicken but not all of those settings. What you have to do is just simply click on edit. From here you can change the name, give an item description, you can add labels as well. This is a vegan, or this is vet or fish, whatever you want to give a label, you can give that too. So this is a basic setting. So after doing all the customization, what you have to do is just simply I think you have to click on the save. Oh, I have already did that. Now let's go back to our menus. Now let's create a new menu. Now just simply click on the delete. So once deleted, this menu and its section cannot be restored. Item from this menu will be saved on the item page and will not be deleted. Also delete item. No, I will not delete. Now just simply click on the add new. If you want to build from scratch, if you want to add from your side, so you can click on the add, give the menu name, for example, maker restaurant. I think I have added a wrong. Okay, maker meal. So you can add menu description as well. So serve daily between 8 a.m. to I will just simply choose default. Serve daily between 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Just hit the save button and it will create a new menu, as you can see over here. Now just your menu has been saved. Click on the change, click on the menu. Now from here you have to add sections. Just simply add section and give a section. For example, this is breakfast fast, and hit the save. It will create a section for the breakfast. You can add your all the breakfast. For example, what I will add for the breakfast omelette, and hit the click. And from here you can again you can manage, or you can modify all of those things which we have given. You can add images, you can show on menu, you can manage your stocks, you can add modifiers as well. So yeah, this is the basic. You can add that. So if you want to create from scratch, you can create it. For example, I will just add some omelette, I will choose the random things in my from my image section to just show to you. To simply click on the save, go back to your site. Okay, go to your site, and it will load your dashboard. Click on the edit side, so it will refresh it for few seconds. Now we are in the dashboard. Just click on the page, go to restaurant page and go to my menus. We have our own menu, which is for breakfast. This is omelette. So just ignore this image because I have added this image just for the tutorial. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can add your own menu into your Wix website. So, and yeah, that's it. This is how you can uh, make a menu, or you can use a template, and you can create from scratch as well. So if you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you found this tutorial helpful, then give me a feedback in the comment where I can make more quality videos, how I can make more quality videos. Just give me a feedback, then I will try to improve that. Thanks for watching.